Salam and a warm welcome to each and every one of you. My name is Shukurgeldi Myradov. I am an international student here in Austria. I'm particularly delighted to highlight the positive and impactful work being carried out by the UNICEF Turkmenistan, especially in the realm of data collection about children and families through the mixed survey. The dedication and commitment demonstrated by UNICEF Turkmenistan in improving this process are commendable, contributing significantly to our understanding of the challenges faced by vulnerable populations. Moreover, I would like to extend my congratulations to Turkmenistan for initiating a new cycle of collecting data. The commitment to staying abreast of the evolving landscape through comprehensive data collection is a testament of Turkmenistan's dedication to evidence-based decision-making and sustainable development. In this noble endeavor, the involvement of our youth is pivotal. The youth are not just the leaders of tomorrow, they're the catalysts for change today. Turkmenistan's focus on empowering its youth, exemplified by initiatives such as the Comprehensive Population and Housing Census conducted recently, is truly inspiring. May our collective efforts bring us closer to a world that is more just, equitable, and sustainable. Good luck, and let us embark on this journey together. Thank you for your attention, and auf Wiedersehen at the next fruitful discussions.